Wanting to make sure I don't leave without having Malta's national dish, Mariella takes me to the cliffs of Dingli. What a beautiful spot this is, with great views surrounding me as I get to eat my rabbit. All right, well, I think this is going to be the final Maltese dish for me today. You've given me pretty much everything, I think.
Yeah, we've done some of the best today.
Cheers. Cheers. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
And it's good that we end with rabbit, which is our national dish.
Wow.
So I hope you
The size of
enjoy
these
this too.
peas. Well, I think I will. I have enjoyed everything so far. Everything has been so passionately made, and all the different cultures that come through with all the foods.
And I think being an island in the Mediterranean, hospitality has always been very important. And a lot of time this is shown with food. Like when I was home, if there were 3 people or 4 people for dinner, you'd never just cook for 4. There had to be more, just in case someone, stopped by or needed more.
That's such a beautiful thing. That's the way I love cooking anyway. So this looks amazing and smells even better, which is why we have our red wine. People don't know about Maltese wines very much.
We do have some excellent wines. We've been producing wines probably since Phoenician times. What people don't know is that there are 2 grapes that are endemic to the island.
That's
the
pretty
Girgantine and the Gelosa. And for a long time they were only used to make table wines. So we have excellent Chardonnay. We have,
Sure, you
good
get very
Cabernet.
good sunshine here, and you get very ripe grapes and ripe fruits.
That's the Mediterranean.
Well,
feel,
it's beautiful. The rabbit is absolutely delicious. We braised it with wine, and the flavor's coming through. It's so tender too.
And a lot of times it's slow cooked, and they marinate it in wine, bay leaf, and onions.
To come to this place on the cliffs like this in the hills, because it's not a dish that you can make at home on a regular basis. You need a lot of time to prepare something like this. So it's good that they still have restaurants that will do it for you. It's great. What a great day, Mariella. Thank you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed showing you.
I've been here before, and it's just so nice to see it from a different perspective and your local perspective. So thank you so much. Cheers.
It's been my pleasure. Or as the Maltese say, Saha, which
Saha?
means good health.
Good health. That's even better.
Saha.